Hi guys, this is Short. In today's video we are going to check out the DIY Detail Waterless Wash on this particular car. It's a rather old one, it's like 25 years old, full of rust and all kind of scratches and some more damages, damaged by hailstorm and so on. Obviously you shouldn't use it on a dirty car like this because this one has a lots of dirt. Maybe when you freshly wash the car and you put it on a trailer and you go to a car show, or you live like 2 streets down the car show and you just roll over and then the car became a tiny bit dusty, then you could use this product safely. But anyhow, we will see what sort of cleaning power it has in the case of this particular vehicle. Anywho, let's roll. Before we roll, I'm going to use it only on one particular part of the car or panel, because I have a few more of similar products that I want to try. So obviously I want to save some time and, well, not product but time, let's say.
Got the neighbors sitting knocking on the floor. Got the neighbors sitting knocking. Got the neighbors sitting.
I leave the TV on, I'm done with your sad eyes. I can take another night with you on like this. So let's go, I'm sure you can take it. You've been crying over him for a lifetime. So if you don't mind, we will dance till it's way past sleep. Another course that we can fly with the baseline. Boys be boys, ain't no excuse, babe. Now hey you, oh hey you, I know you can find someone better. Oh hey you, oh hey you. He's a vagabond, he won't love you better. I can watch you sinking down on the battleship. So count to 10, then again, Mississippi. You've been crying over him for a lifetime. So if you don't mind, we will dance till it's way past sleep. Another course that we can fly with the baseline. Boys be boys, ain't no excuse, babe. Now hey you, oh hey you, I know you can find someone better. Oh hey you, oh hey you.
Alrighty, boys and girls, that was the DIY Detail Waterless Wash. I start with the scent because I really don't like the scent, but that's my personal preference, so don't, take it the bad way. It is, for me, for me, as I said, it's disgusting chewing gum or bubblegum scent. Obviously, if you like this scent, then you would be crazy about. But for me, it's a big no-no. But other than that, as I said, it's a personal preference. So other than that, it cleaned the surface nicely. It was easy to use. Obviously, use it on a less dirty car. maybe dusty, not as dirty as this one was, but even on this one it removed the dirt nicely. And normally I say or I recommend to everyone to have a waterless wash, or at least a quick detailer or something to this effect with you in the car all the time, together with the microfiber towel, in case there are some bird droppings on the surface, to remove it as soon as possible. Spray some waterless wash or quick detailer on, let it soak, and then with the microfiber you can scoop it up. Rather have some tiny scratches on the surface which can be easily polished even by hand than having the bird dropping etching into your clear coat. But all in all, I can hands-on heart recommend it's a good product. And that concludes the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you're not going to miss any of my upcoming videos. I'd like to say a big thank you for your time and catch you on the next one. Bye bye.